All right, we have some breaking news coming in right now. And this is coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Gunshots have been heard in Kulgam. That's coming in from South Kashmir, and reports suggest that 2 terrorists have been trapped and an encounter is currently underway. That's the breaking news we're getting in right now. My colleague Zina joins us live on the broadcast for more. Zina, tell us more about this encounter that is currently underway.
Rakshita, this is an encounter that is taking place in South Kashmir. This is Kulgam district and the Mitragaon village where the encounter has just started. We're picking from the sources that the joint security forces has launched a cordon and search operations, and when they reached to the suspected spot, the terrorists who were hiding in the very village, they fired upon them, triggering an encounter. Reports suggest that the 2 terrorists, the local ones, are being trapped and the exchange of fire is on. This is an operation being carried by SOG Kulgam along with 9 RR of Indian Army and also CRPF being the part of the operation. We are seeing the visuals that are coming in, that the reinforcement has been rushed into the spot. We are seeing the entire area has been put under cordon and the volume of fire is being exchanged. This is an encounter taking place in South Kashmir, somewhere around 50 to 60 kilometers from the Srinagar city where the encounter is on. Although on the other axis we see that the Amarnath Yatra is also going on, though it was suspended in the morning, but we're seeing that the Kulgam is some part of it is connected with the highway, wherefrom we see the Yatra movement also taking place, but there is no threat to the Yatra, and the Yatra has been taking off very smoothly, though it has been suspended due to the rain in these very excesses. But overall, as far as this operation is concerned, this is good news for the security forces when they've been trying the hard to get hold on these terrorists and to get them trapped. We are picking that the encounter has started in Kulgam where the operation is on. 2 terrorists have been trapped. Earlier we have seen the encounter coming from the Sopore where the 2 Pakistani terrorists were neutralized. So overall it's a good news for the security forces that the terrorists have been trapped. Needs to see that how long it will take them to neutralize the terrorists who have been trapped in this very encounter.
Absolutely, Zinat. All right. Thank you so much for joining us with those updates coming in. In fact, viewers, as Zinat was telling us, there is, of course, a temporary suspension as far as the Amarnath Yatra is concerned. Both the routes, in fact, to the Holy Cave Shrine have been suspended. Both the routes have been suspended due to heavy rainfall. An intermittent heavy rainfall has been seen along the Baltal and the Pahalgam route since last night. In fact, here's a short report. अरे बाल को
बोलेगी वो